Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit in stakes on Mobox. Depositing into staking yield farming on the Mobox means putting your tokens into a pool so you can earn rewards in Mbox tokens. Most staking pools use Mbox BNB liquidity tokens LP. First, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it. And once you reach into this interface of your Mobox website, make sure you have already connected to your wallet, like MetaMask over here. You can simply connect to your wallet here and make sure the wallet is on the BNB Smart Chain network. And over here, on the left hand side, you need to go to this Momo Farmer. And over here, select to this deposit. And if you want to add the liquidity, you can also add the liquidity before staking. You must create LP tokens here. Simply create your supply and add a liquidity on the bottom here. And after that, you can deposit over here. You need to enter the amount, how much you want to deposit into stakings. And after staking, rewards accumulate in Mbox tokens. Click the claim rewards. And you can click claim rewards anytime to collect them. You can withdraw LB tokens whenever you want and deposit LB tokens. And always keep some BNB for the gas fees. Check APY and risk before staking. Crypto prices can change, so rewards vary. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.